Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken this week. The one ended today, Friday the 13th, Boogeyman Friday, right? And yeah, so it's 10 p.m. I'm making this video because I'll be busy Saturday, Sunday. All right, so let's get started. Let me see if I can. All right, so this is the first trade on the 7th March. This is Bitcoin. Nowadays, I'm all over on Bitcoin. You know that, right? So, so Bitcoin is 740 from here to here. The seller is right there. The yellow mark shows the sell order and SL move to break even plus. And this is one of the part of the system, right? So this indicator need to be all the way up for short, all the way down for long. And if this price is above the wave, that would be long. Below is short. All right, so this is the first one. Second is also, this is how it is. You see that? From here all the way to the upside from 20-minute chart. Big move. This one, pound USD. Remember last week I said the pound USD is going to go up, USD going to get weaker. So it started to go up, and then USD got stronger. So I had a couple of shorts later on. I'll show you. So this is pound USD going to the upside. I believe Euro USD also went up with the. Here we go. Euro USD 60 pip, beautiful entry, and then gone with the win. So USD was getting weaker, so that's why USD on the left hand side here. That's why this one came down for 65 pip from 7-minute chart. This one again, Bitcoin, it was supposed to bounce from here, and I made the video showing that, the setup, the higher time frame setup, and then it started to go to the upside with that setup. So this is how the Bitcoin is. Euro Aussie to the downside here, 90 pip here on the 10th. The pound Aussie, I was expecting that they're going to go up, but all of a sudden Aussie got stronger and they both went down, and my EA took the trades anyway. So no problem. Even if I'm not willing to go down, even if I made a mistake and then leave the EA on it, the idea is that if I'm wrong, see, this is where it opened the trade, right? So SL initially was 25 pip, was somewhere here. So it hardly survived the SL, and then it dropped. Now, if my SL hit, I lose 25 pip, trade is closed. But if I'm right, that's what I get, right? So it all depends on the calculation with the daily range and all of that. So I don't mind sometimes leaving the EA and says, okay, take it whatever you want to take. And then again, like I said, the ratio, risk to reward ratio is much higher. So even if I have a couple of SL hit, that the next trade would cover all of that. So this one is pound Aussie to the downside, and you can see here this pound Aussie from 20-minute chart. It opened the trade here and then came down here and then continue 145 pip, right? So if I, once in a while, if I my SL hit for 25 pip, who cares, right? So Euro Aussie 115 pip from 20-minute chart. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. And I took some of these entries as well, but this is the last one that I took on the 11th. And now this one, USD yen, was a short. Now yen started to get weaker badly, and then USD started to get strong. And then that's why you see this 20-minute long setup and gone with the wind for 105 pip. So this is all about the that fib mumbo jumbo. If you understand that, one fib for it makes turning points at 61 to 23, then goes to 78, and then you get the reaction, the retracement, the extension, then the retrace. So if you can, if you catch all of these moves, if you understand them and catch them, then you see that one trade is to the upside, the other one is to the downside, the other one is to the upside, right? So that's how it is. It's hard, but if you learn, that's it. And that's what I teach in my one-on-one, how to calculate those turning points. Now, this is pound yen 65 pip to the upside. Right there is the entry. And then you can see the pound USD from 20-minute chart is but from here all the way down to, this is the daily range. The yellow mark is the daily range. If it goes to the upside, this is where the daily range will finish for that day. And to the downside, it was very close to the daily range that day. Every day, daily range is a new daily range, right? So now this one also, you can see here that the upside, see, this is where the day started, this white dotted line. So the day started, it came down, then it went up, and then it started to come down, and then took out this one. So it has to go to one side of the daily range, either up or down. So this one decided to go to the downside. And that's how I catch the big trades, if you understand this daily range drama. So 80 pip here on the 12th. Pound Aussie now, after dropping all of that, and I made the video and in my webinar, I explained that now is the time that it's going to go to the upside, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie both. And that's exactly what happened. Long entry right there, and then 80 pip here on Pound Aussie, and Euro Aussie did the same thing, and then went up. It opened it short here, and then I was on a break even before it hit my SL, and then gave me a long entry, or took a long entry automatically here, CTS 7, and for 60 pip there, even though it went up a lot more to the upside. But here, Euro Yen from 7-minute chart, you can see here now the yen start to get strong, and this is what happened. Right on the 13th today, Friday. Went down, pound USD yen, USD start to get strong as well. Pound USD, because of that, it started to go down 110 pip here. And then Euro USD as well. That was pound USD. This is Euro USD. Entry is right there. 85 pip to the downside. And that's about it. So 19 trade total, including Bitcoin, no gold trade. I wasn't trading gold, Nasdaq, or anything else. So I'm all over either the Forex pair. My best choice is my Forex pairs. I have total control over that. Even though once in a while I sell hit, but I get the other side, I catch that and then recover easily. And they move very systematically, basically. Right after the news, some kind of catalyst that they require, and after that, the move start, and then the rest of the day, they go for the daily range close by, and you just get in and get out and get ready for the next day. Gold and Bitcoin and all of that is a little tricky, right? So has to be careful. Now, I'm just gonna leave you with one good setup here with the Bitcoin. So you see, this is right now cooking here. I have a small long, right in the bottom, and but you can see clearly that this is wave 1, 2, and then it start to go up, and then I think this might be a good long from here going into the 74,508, and let's see what happened. And when it was here, I started to make the chart that this thing is going to go to the upside, so it went up, then came down, and I made another chart that this thing is going to go from here to here. Let me see if I have this chart. Let me show you here. I think okay, BTC. What the heck? Okay, this was on the 9th. I made this chart. See that? So this is wave 1 and wave 2, and I said, well, right above 66,857, this thing is gonna go. And then I had my buy order there already with the TP here. So this is the chart. Is it still playing out here like that? So it went up all the way and now dip a little bit, and then I think that it's gonna go up, continue to the upside. So let's see what happens, right? I'll make a separate video on this Bitcoin as well later on. So if this is 1, 2, and then wave 3 underway, and out of that we have 1 and 2, followed by this is wave 3 could be, and then 4 and 5. That would be end of wave 3, followed by wave 4, 5, blah, blah, blah. All right, so this is it for now. And by the way, today is Friday. Over the weekend, I will be finishing some few one-on-one. So I will have some room, maybe 3 or 4 new new people interested in one-on-one. So if you're interested, just go on my website, sign up. 10-hour course. I have it on a discount. Take advantage of that and take it from there. Learn this mumbo jumbo, and then you control the market instead of market controlling you. All right. So a lot of people don't believe, but this is what it is. Every single day, every single week, I give you the before chart, and then I trade in that direction. I give you the trades. I record the chart before I close the trade and everything. Right. So what else I can do? Right. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. All right. So let me see. Yeah. All right. So this is it. This is it. Where's the button that I can close with? Stop recording.